welcome back to another unboxing video. On today's video, we are going to be unboxing the LA Colors Advent Calendar. Before we hop into today's video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of the Goddess family. I love you guys so much, and let's hop right into it. So this is the Advent Calendar. It does retail for $10 at CVS. It is a 12-piece, which I think is actually a pretty standard for Advent calendars this time of year. If you are into that, maybe we should do a little ASMR moment. We're gonna go ahead and open day number 1. Ooh. Okay, so day number 1 is a really cute lipstick. Let's go ahead and take her out. Excited to try on the shade and see what it looks like. It's cute and creamy. I actually really like it. I'm trying to look for the shade name and I don't know if it has one. LA Colors, however, is a budget-friendly brand. Sometimes with budget-friendly brands like Wet n Wild and LA Colors, they don't always put names to their products. I don't know if you guys remember my In Love with Coco review. The shadow palette, they didn't have names. It was just numbered 1 through 8. And that just works for them. So that might be the case with this lipstick, because I was kind of looking to see if any of the products have like an actual name to it so I can tell you guys. And from the box and from this labeling on the lipstick, no. So just know that everything is in this box right here that retails again for $10, which I think is a really good deal. Now this is the funny thing about the Advent calendars. It's never like 1, 2, 3 like in a row. It's always like you have to search for the next number, and it's kind of like a little puzzle, which I feel like is fun. So with that being said, number 2 is actually kind of like closer to the bottom here, and we're gonna open it up right now. Kind of like fling it out through the back. This is so cute. It's like a gold shimmer. I'm gonna like swatch it on my hand right now, but this is supposed to be a loose eyeshadow. Okay, so it does twist off. Ooh, so this is what it looks like. I'm gonna take a brush and I'm gonna wet it a little bit with some setting powder. I'm just gonna dip it right in, and then I'm gonna test it right on my eye to kind of see how crazy this color is. Okay, pigmentation is there for sure. Oh wow. Do you guys see that? It's definitely giving holiday vibes. I think I'm just gonna do the front part of my eyes. And I think that the payout is there, like the pigment is there. It is a pretty good size jar considering the price point. Oh, number 3, I'm like looking for it. Number 3 is on the very top right here. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I bet you it's like a lipstick because of the way it's shaped. Oh, yep, it's another lipstick. Ah! Okay, so number 3, it's another lipstick. This one is definitely a darker tone, which I enjoy darker tones too. Go ahead and open her up. It's still on the pink side, but I feel like it's more of a peachy pink, which I'm okay with. I actually like it. Wipe off what I have right now. And again, it's the same packaging where it doesn't have like a name of like the actual shade, but it is a part of the LA Colors cream lipstick collection, if that helps. We're gonna go ahead and try this one on. Huh. Okay. It's coming out a little lighter than I thought it was going to come out, but that's okay. I actually really dig it. She's cute. I like it. I approve. I feel like this was a really good $10 investment. Already, just like the first 3 flaps. Now we're gonna go find number 4, which is here on the very bottom. Ooh. These things are not the easiest to get out, let me just tell you. I'm excited. This is a blush. Ooh. This is the blush. It's so cute because it's miniature size. This is what it looks like in the pan. It's a very subtle pink. I'm gonna just like apply. I love blush again. I'm just gonna apply it right here. I really like how it applies. It's not too heavy. If you guys want something that's a lot more subtle, especially if you wear bold colors, sometimes when you wear bold colors, you want something that's a little bit more subtle when it comes to blush. This would be a really good candidate. Also, just how cute is this like packaging? It's so tiny, miniature, and I just like live for that. Okay. The thing ripped. The thing is just starting to look like really tacky now because it's all ripping, but we're gonna pop it out here. Ooh, This is a lip balm. How cute is this? It is an LA Colors vanilla scented lip balm. And it smells really good. I'm gonna layer it on top of what I got going on. I don't know how hydrating it's gonna be, to tell you the truth, but it does feel nice on. I'm excited to open the next door, which is door number 6, which is right here. Ooh. Oh, it's literally ripping off. Sorry guys. Trying to like keep it cute, but it's like stuck in there. Ooh. LA Colors lip gloss. It is like a pinky glitter, which I actually love. I love pink. Let's try it out. I mean, I already had like other things on, but okay, it feels nice. Not too tacky, not too sticky. I hate like when lip glosses feel just like too tacky. Anyways, this is what it looks like. It's a nice little shimmer, nothing too crazy. It has a very subtle hint of pink. Ooh, another gloss. Looks a little darker from the tube as far as like pigment than the other lip gloss did. So let's go ahead and see. Ooh, there is some color. I'm gonna go ahead and put it side by side from the other gloss so you guys can see the difference. Oh yeah, this one definitely has a lot more pigmentation. Look at that. That's crazy. Let me just add a little bit here to my lips and see how it layers. I'm just like layering a bunch of stuff. It's nice. Again, it's not like that tacky feeling that some of the like drugstore lip glosses give. Now we're gonna go ahead and open the next door. Oh, looks like we got some eyeliner. Whoa. I'm actually surprised that they threw some eyeliner. I thought it was gonna be like another like lip gloss or something because I feel like lip products are just easier for makeup companies, but I'm actually surprised that they came out with a liner for the calendar, which I love. It's a good surprise. Clearly, this is just a basic black liner. It is a pencil liner also, so it's not those fancy gel liners. Before I forget, this is the final payout as far as like color. Moving on to door number 9. Ooh. Okay, we have another gloss product. This is another colored lip gloss. It's a really pretty color actually. I like that color too. I'm not gonna put this over my lips because I already know the texture is really nice. It doesn't feel tacky still. It actually still feels very hydrating. I feel like my lips look extra just cute right now. It's actually a very beautiful color. Great for fall, I would have to say. Very pretty color for fall. This is what the color looks like up close. Definitely a very pretty nude color. Moving on. Number 10. Ooh. This is a nail polish. It's actually a really cute color. I normally just get my nails done, so I don't actually go for nail polish, but sometimes it's nice to just have nail polish. So that is that. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next door. It's like really stuck in there. Okay, so door number 11 is another gloss, and this is a true clear gloss. I'm actually gonna put it right in the center so you guys can see. So this is the pinky one, and then this is the one that I just swatched. They actually do have a subtle difference in color. I like clear. Sometimes it's nice just to have like a clear gloss to like put over whatever lipstick look you're doing. Anyways, let's go on to the next and final door. Number 12. It's actually an eyeshadow palette. I think it's hilarious. The little applicator is like right outside because it doesn't have a holder for it in the palette, but I think it's really cute and sweet that they actually put that in the box for you, so that's nice. This is the palette. It's the Nudes Palette by LA Colors. Okay, it's actually giving, and I'm really in love with all of these colors. I'm gonna swatch them obviously for you guys right now. I had to take my sweater off for that just because like I have no more room in the back of my hand, so I'm gonna do it on my wrist for the swatching. Now this one doesn't have like shade names. I'm like looking here, there's no shade names. We're just gonna like go in order. First shade is like a copper iridescent type shade. That's what it looks like. Okay, giving. The next shade is like a very like purpley eggplant type shade. Wow. Then we're going into this like iridescent pink type shade. I did not think that that iridescent shade was going to really show up, and it did show up. Wow. Moving on, we're gonna go in with this like dusty type of blush shade. I'm gonna put it right here. Cute. Wet my fingers really quick, and then we'll continue the party. Now we're gonna go in with this matte nude shade. Okay, not too bad. Last but not least, we're gonna go in with this nude glitter iridescent shade right here. Okay, so this is what the colors look like. Very cute, actually. I'm really digging it. This is something that I actually would personally love to receive. Obviously, that's why I bought it. And again, the price point is just phenomenal, $10, and you get all of these products. And the products actually work surprisingly well, again, for the price point. I hope you guys enjoyed this LA Keller unboxing, and I will see you guys on my next one.